step-by-step guide for doing a TRX jump sumo squat safely and effectively. Target muscles. Primary, glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves. Secondary, inner thighs, adductors, hip flexors, core for stabilization, forearms and shoulders, light engagement from TRX straps. How to do it. 1. Setup. Stand facing the TRX anchor point. Hold the handles with a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Walk back slightly until the straps are taut, arms extended but not locked. 2. Foot position. Place your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Toes angled out 30 to 45 degrees. Keep chest upright and core braced. 3. Lower into sumo squat. Hinge hips back and bend knees to lower down into a deep squat. Push knees out in line with toes. Keep tension on the TRX, using it for balance but not pulling with your arms. 4. Explosive jump. Drive through your heels and inner thighs. Jump upward explosively, keeping chest tall. Use the straps lightly to guide balance, not to pull yourself up. 5. Land softly. Land on the balls of your feet, then roll back into your heels. Absorb impact by bending knees and hips, lowering directly into the next squat. 6. Repeat. Perform 8 to 12 reps for power and endurance. Tips for better form. Don't yank on the straps. Use them just for stability. Land softly, knees tracking over toes. Avoid knees collapsing inward. Keep core tight to prevent leaning back. The deeper the squat, the more glute and inner thigh activation. Please check my next video. Thanks for watching.